Guys, we have got Kanya stethoscope, so I am going to unbox in this video. So this video is going to be very random, like no more edits, just me unboxing this thing. So I got this as a PR package, like a kind of barter. Yeah, the packaging looks too good. This is the box that they have packed, and this is how it looks. So it's like a bit of I used to get toys during my childhood, similar kind of packaging. So you could see very good packaging. Yeah, this is the back of it. Yeah. Let's open now. Now we are going to open this. Guys, please don't be surprised to see, the background and all these things, because you know how the hostel rooms look like. But yeah, leaving all that, this is Kanya. We're going to open. Yo! Wow, amazing. Actually, I don't have a stethoscope. This is the first stethoscope that I'm using. Yeah, and we have even got two of the earplugs. Like if this goes, we'll be using this. And they have given something, a kind of like warranty. So they have given 3 years of warranty. Yeah, this is how it looks on me, and even these scrubs, these are from Kanya. And let me know how this scrubs as well as the stethoscope is looking. Yeah, that's all. See you in next video. Bye.